song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep.
Good morning, Bahlali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lami Usiphelele Xulu. If you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing, and please like this video even before you watch it. Thank you. I see you are liking it. Thank you. And if you are a returning subscriber, nginithanda kakhulu. And yes, this vlog started yesterday. I just did not want to speak. I was tired. I was coming from the meeting, and then I went to Pick and Pay, and then when I came back, I had to pack the stuff in my refrigerator or a fridge. Let me say the fridge, because you are refrigerator. That's a very long word and it's very difficult. Okay guys, welcome to a new vlog, welcome to a new video. Today is the 21st of August. We are starting a new vlog. It started yesterday, by the way, but this week I did a lot of things. I just did not vlog, but you know what I can do? I will share the things that I've been doing. I know that during the week I also had rehearsals for a talent evening that is gonna take place on the 14th of September. So I was working with my students for that, and then there was a point when I'll just share a clip of what we've done so far. And then on Wednesday we had a very long meeting. So I've been working very hard this week, but I didn't do much in terms of vlogging. But yeah, I'll just put a picture or a clip whereby we had our meeting. What else I did? Oh, I also created a daily planner for my son, because my son, Kosiam, I have to make sure that he gets it right. And so I decided, because he keep on saying, Mommy, I forget what to do and what not to do. So now I just decided to create it a daily planner for just from Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sunday, I haven't really gave her what to do, but I will. Definitely I will. And I'll also put a clip of his daily program. And definitely, maybe it's too much, but it's worth it for him to try, because he always says, Mommy, I fail to be consistent. So maybe if there's something that is written for him to do, he will know what to do. And what else? I don't remember what else I did. But today I'm going to do my meal prep. It's Sunday. As much as I feel like I'm tired, but I have to do it. It's Sunday. I didn't do my meal prep last week because I was very busy doing this and that. But this week again, we are going to have a strategic plan with my colleagues. So how many meals I'm supposed to be doing now? Because now from Wednesday, Thursday, I will still do my meal prep if I still finish them. So which means I won't do a meal prep on Sunday next week. I'll still be finishing the food that I've already prepared. I'll prepare enough this week today. So I'll see you later when I'm coming. So now allow me to have my breakfast in bed on Sunday. It's waffles. You know the vibe by now. So guys, I'll see you later when I'm doing my meal prep.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I'm trying to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, please feel yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the ride. You will make it in time. I never left to stop my turn. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I'm trying to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow
Good night, you guys. I'm about to sleep. I am done with my meal prep. I'm just having my supper. After supper, probably I'm just gonna watch a few vlogs and then I'm going to sleep, because like I was a good girl today. I didn't do much except for just doing meal prep, and yeah, so I am busy with my supper. I'm having my chicken mayo. I didn't show you. This is how it looks. So juicy, guys. I can't wait. I just want to have it now. So let me have my chicken mayo before I ramble and ramble. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for cooking with me. And yeah, it was a long day. Time is around 7:30 now, so which means I'm late with my supper. I normally have my supper around 6:30. I think it's because after cooking I went and took a very, very long, beautiful shower. So I know I'm gonna sleep like a baby and wake up like a champion, because my network is here. I'm going to drink this. Hey, but now I'm busy drinking my Herbalife tea, which is the one that might make me not to sleep. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch a few vlogs and then I think that would make me sleep before my night wakes. Good night, you guys. See you tomorrow. Hope something's gonna happen, and then there's something that I'm going to show you tomorrow. Goodbye. Good morning, Bahlali. I am here to do my morning routine, which is called 20-20-20 formula. This is the formula that I got from Robert Sharma at 5 a.m. Club book. Let's do this together. It's so nice. I'm sure you are going to enjoy it.
I wanna be the weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best and whoever you got. I wanna mess up the covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember what I have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Oh, show me what you can do. With my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. With my lips feel on your body, we were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got time for romance, but baby I want to lead you on. Now I'm looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Oh, show me what you can do. Make a move. With my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. With my lips feel on your body. We were moving in the dark.
guys, how are you doing? The last time I saw you, it was during lunchtime. I didn't speak to you, and I just took a detour. I was supposed to be at rehearsal right now, but I went down there at the hall. There were just 3 performers. I just told them that they will call me as soon as more performers have arrived. So because I have this order of Herbalife that I just got this afternoon, so I decided, you know what, for me to sleep, it won't help. Let me rather unpack this box with you. Let's see what we can do now. Let's do this together.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best and lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Or show me what you can do. Make my hands feel on your body. They were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. Make my lips feel on your body. They were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got time for romance, but baby I want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Or show me what you can do. Make a move, make my hands feel on your body.
This is how it looks now, you see. Here we go. And then I also have some few things for myself. I don't have cell activator. My demo complete is finished, and the Herbalife line is also finished. And then I'm gonna use this these days. This is almost finished. This is my night cream. It's almost finished. And then these 2 are also almost finished. My eye gel as well as my eye cream. Why this thing is not focusing today? Yeah, so those are the only things that I actually needed to take here, but I packed the grocery, the food. Okay, let's go. I think they've already sent me a message that they are here at the hall, so let's go to rehearsal. If they are there, you will see. If they are not, you won't see it. How am I dressed now? My jacket, my small jacket. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, see you later. Goodbye. Good morning, Bahlali. I am just coming here to close this long vlog that we have been working on. And thank you so much for watching. I remember that yesterday I told you that I was going to a rehearsal. I didn't shoot at the rehearsals for some reasons, for some real reasons. But yes, I did went to a rehearsal, and when I came back I realized that the vlog is actually long enough for me to post. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate all your efforts. I see that some of you are watching my videos, some are not have yet subscribed, but it's okay. I'm just doing this for myself, for my passion, because I love what I do. But I really appreciate for everyone who keeps on watching my videos, people who are actually commenting, and those who likes my videos. And yes, I will only know when I'm doing well if you put comments on my videos so that I can improve my craft. And thank you so much for watching, and please do not leave without subscribing. And yes, ngenithanda kakhulu. Thank you, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media platform, and I'm going to put them here for you to follow me. Thank you. Goodbye.